Arellano Prince Jan R. Outstanding in volleyball. Vinyas Jan Rico M. Outstanding in table tennis. Kalaban Christian Jeff G. Cristobal Danre O. Diadayan Nico B. Dimapula Chris Paul F. Endrina Benjamin B. Esposata Johannes C. Hermo Jan Lawrence D. Lanza Glenn Joseph N. Morselios Francis Daniel C. Olarte Laura Mark A. Laura Reynal A. Mara Ariel Christian H. With honors. Jason Das D. With honors. Sumanga Andrew L. Divino Lian Benedict D. With honors and outstanding in volleyball. Yanko Liel D. Girls. Celeste Jurgen N. Noyan Andrea George C. With honors. Esposada Maria Ann C. Getsanova and Gate B. Outstanding and volleyball. Ibanez Mika G. Abolan Danila A. With honors. Outstanding in athletics, Siapo, second runner-up, distance third runner-up. Jimenez Silent Ball, with honors. ENG, officer, athletics, silentics, and silentics, outstanding. Noxin Villa C. Mahinay Bueno Din B. Manalo Jilin N. Manalo Jisan N. Pangaling Nikki R. With honors, outstanding in silentics. Paula Sky Chantal B. Outstanding in volleyball. Bindon Justin A. With high honors. Filipino, best in Filipino, best in English, best in science, best in math, best in art in California, athletics, Techno-Olympics, Red Adult, Magnetics, Primada Jayati, with honors, outstanding in volleyball. Martin Prince. And last, Bill Loiva Renchinen Pitt with high honors. Best in Filipino, Best in English, Best in Science, Best in Math, Best in Arabic, Panlipunan, and Tipo. Congratulations, Mrs. Live.
Dear graduates, congratulations! Let's clap our hands. Every special occasion becomes even more meaningful with the presence of someone who can inspire, empower, and leave a lasting impact. To formally introduce our esteemed guest speaker, may we call on Ma'am Shin Tina B. Lacson, Teacher 1.
To our esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with great pride and honor that I stand before you today to introduce our exceptional guest speaker, a true embodiment of dedication, excellence, and leadership. He began in the humble halls of our Unan Elementary School, where he graduated with honors in 2013. Even at a young age, he demonstrated not only academic excellence, but also remarkable talent in sports, serving as a player in the volleyball provincial meet from 2011 to 2013. He also showcased his early leadership skills as a Supreme People's Government Officer during the school year 2010-2011. Continuing his path of distinction, he went on to St. Joseph's School LaSalle for secondary education, where he excelled not only academically, but also as a dedicated volleyball varsity player from 2013 to 2017. During this time, he also specialized in public speaking, a skill that would later become one of his hallmarks. In junior high school at Liceo de La Salle, he brought pride to his school, earning victory as an indoor volleyball champion during the 2018 Liceo Olympics and a beach volleyball champion during the 2019 Liceo Olympics. These achievements are a testament to his drive, perseverance, and team spirit. As he pursued higher education at the University of Negros Occidental Recoletos, he maintained his upward trajectory, earning a degree in Bachelor of Science and Mechanical Engineering in 2023. His leadership shone brightly as he represented his fellow students as a fourth-year representative of the Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers. Today, he wears many hats. He serves as the Sangguniang Kabataan chairperson, passionately working to uplift the youth and community. He is also a trusted member of the advisory group of Bacolod City Mobile Force Company, offering his invaluable insights to help ensure public safety. His diverse experiences and steadfast commitment to service make him not only an accomplished individual, but also an inspiring leader. His journey reflects his unwavering dedication to excellence, his love for community, and his passion for empowering others to achieve their potential. Without further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to our distinguished guest speaker, the Honorable and accomplished Al Owen Aglavante Ismailin.
Thank you, Ms. Ian. So, to our beloved principal, sorry, you may take your seat. Thank you so much.
To our barangay council leaded by Punong Barangay Roy Ritiza, our guests, visitors, teachers, parents, and especially graduates, good morning. First of all, I would like to thank Rafael Elementary School for giving this opportunity to share my experiences and also to give some advices where I also learned during my early life or adolescent stage. Back then, year 2007, 2013, it was my elementary days. Try to imagine sa mga mulang edad, every walang klase na mga inadlaw, ari ko sa likod simulaan, ay sa uma, ganda ng pichay, pangalbis talong, and different stuff related about farming. So, wala na kabalo kung diin na talaga sa ating pagbutlay. So that's why I would like to say thank you so much to all teachers of Rafael Lunan for guiding us, for guiding me in a very young age. And also, thank you so much sa tanan mga parents sa walang untat na pagsuporta para sa ating kayuhan. So at this moment, mga yung field board sa ating graduates nga matindog sa mga lalikaw guys. And pagkitaon ta ating mga parents, at tubangon ta ating mga parents, kaya ipakita natin ang smile. Ito ka-express na sa dako kapag pasalamat. And after that, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. You may take your seat. Today, I will not only congratulate all of you, parents and graduates, and also I am here for the purpose of strengthening your college for the preparation of the next higher level. At this point, I'm going to share my experiences during my elementary days. During my elementary days, I joined a lot of activities here in Rafael Lunan, such as cultural activities, academic activities, and especially sports. Sa among mga chipo, mga cultural activities, may mga mass dance, and also ang hindi ko malipatan, isang sayaw sa bangko. May harap kami ng subong, sayaw sa bangko, wala. So may harap kami sa muna, so yung isa na sa mga butang, hindi ko malipatan din sa RAES. And also academic activities, I'm also one of the representative of Rafael Lunan Elementary School during my mga quiz bees, and also MTAP from grade 8 to grade 6. And also especially sports. I've been a student athlete since grade 4 up to 3rd year college, and I made a lot of friends, a lot of learned lessons, and also I go in different places because of that sports. And when in high school life, same routine, same scenario, join different kind of clubs, still a volleyball player, meet a different type of person, meron na big time, meron din batang kali, and makabalo kita kung ano ang kinalain sa mga bataan kung nakakita sa Bacolod. And also in college life, one of the most difficult time in my career because of my course, which is Bachelor of Science and Mechanical Engineering. During my college life, isa ako officer of JPSME or Junior Philippine of Society of Mechanical Engineers. So kami nag-organize mga events during my mga engineering week, mechanical engineering week, so kami nag-organize. And also, Abugyapon, varsity of volleyball sa UR. And during my mga field showing, kami any projects or performance tasks which is related sa acting, is ako na ang protagonist or antagonist. Kawalo ko sa protagonist, antagonist. Ang protagonist, ang bida. Ang antagonist, kontrabida. So, because during college life, meron ako para sa akin isa ka skill or talent nga kabalo magdala sa different kind of expression. That's why mga classmates ko, ako permi ang hindi mo nila, kontrabida o kontrabida. Okay, so the reason why I share my experience during elementary up to college, it is because ang mga activities na ginagawa ta, hindi tungkol magtaas ang atong grado. May isa pa kadalong na purpose ang mga activities na ginakandak sa school, which is mag-boost sa atong guts, mag-improve sa atong self-confidence, and also, dili ta makabalo how to interact with other people. Sa college life ko, hindi ako tama kaalam, gatuon man, pero hindi tama kadako ang kaalam nga sa akin. So, ang gingamit ko sa college na school life is ang akong guts, self-confidence, and a proper approach sa ibang tao. Kaysa different activities ni parents, keep in mind parents and graduates, sa mga activities ni nga ginakandak sa eskwelahan, dili ta maka-learn, dili ta makabalo. Amo ni ang purpose ng activities hindi ginakandak sa eskwelahan. So parents, keep in mind nga hindi ta sila paitrahon tungod para magtaas ang grado. Paitrahon ta sila tungod sa ibang na purpose, which is ang pag-improve sa self-confidence. Also, for example, in college level, I experience, kapila ko na experience sa kabuhi ko sa college. May ara ikaw pala abuton ng exam. And may ara topic na bisa na mo katuon, hindi mo mag-gets, hindi mo mansaran, especially kung narang sa engineering. Pero hindi ka mag-lie. So, kumod, damo ka na experience, meron ka self-confidence, kabalo ka mag-approach sa isa na tao, hindi ka magduwa-duwa pamakot sa iyong classmates, sa iyong teachers, tungod sa isa na may mga gamay na problema. Kung may ara ikaw self-confidence, hapos inisolbaron. And also, bisan sa simple na lang ang butanga, ikaw nagtalang ka sa butanga sa mga mga lugar. Tungod may ara ka self-confidence, taas ang imong guts, hindi ka magduwa-duwa pa magno. Mga yung na idea kung paano matigalin, kung paano makatultol. So, di ba no? Isa ka gamay ng problema, isa ka gamay ng solusyon, which is self-confidence, kabalo at approach sa iba na tao. So, parents, graduates, keep in mind yun nga, tanan palaging ginahintahan, seryosohon aton. Kaya walang kita kabalo, may mga purpose, may mga malalog na purpose nga sa ulihi galit ang maging makasolbar sa ato yung mga problema. Today is your special day. Kabay ba nga mga ang tanan nga halin diri sa Rafael Alunan Elementary School atong pagadalon sa next level, which is high school. Kaya elementary, isa ka training ground, isa ka preparation ground, sa paglabot hanggang sa high school. So parents, simple nga advice na mahatag ko sa inyo. Hindi natin pagkuntatan suporta natin mga students sa nila nga inintrahan. Kaya I promising you nga sa tanan nga mga aktibidades nga ilang inintrahan, may mga madalong na purpose sa kalako mabuling sa ila sa uli. And hindi na ako magpadugay. Lastly, I would like to congratulate all the parents, graduates, and would like to say thank you for all the teachers nga nag-guide sinyo since grade 1 to grade 6. Sila ang isa sa mga rason nga may mga achievement kita nakatabo sa kabuhi. Once again, good morning and congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Alma Ismail for that inspiring message. May I call on Ma'am Andrea B. Chaco to give the certificate and let's obey. Is hereby awarded to Honorable Al-Alban A. Ismail, a grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable service record as guest speaker during the 63rd closing exercises of our Alunan Elementary School with the theme Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and the success of the occasion. Given this 4th day of April 2025, at our Alunan Elementary School, Barangay Atagilan, Bacolod City, Philippines. Signed by School Head Anthony Chaco.